In today's video, I'll show you how to record refunds from vendors in QuickBooks Online. This is a very common task for anyone managing business expenses, and recording it properly keeps your financial data accurate and up to date. Let's walk through each step together so you can handle this process quickly and confidently. First, open your browser and go to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. Once there, click on Claviel QuickBooks Online, 미час, and log in using your account credentials. Enter your username and password, then click Continue. Logging in ensures you have access to all the accounting tools needed to manage your vendor refunds properly. Now that you're inside QuickBooks, look for the Quantities plus New Needs button on the left side of your dashboard. Click on it, and a menu will appear showing different transaction options. From the list, select Vendor Credit. This is the form you'll use to record any refund or credit you've received from a supplier or vendor. When the vendor credit form opens, start by selecting the vendor's name. It's important to choose the exact vendor who issued the refund so QuickBooks can automatically link the transaction to your past purchases or bills. Next, you'll need to assign a category. This represents the expense account affected by the refund. For example, office supplies, utilities, or inventory. Choosing the right category ensures that your financial statements remain accurate and reflect the corrected expenses. After that, add a description explaining why you received this refund. It could be something like return damaged goods or overpayment adjustment. Including a brief but clear note helps you or your accountant easily understand the purpose of the refund later. Now, enter the refund amount exactly as shown on the vendor's credit memo or statement. Double-check the figure before proceeding to make sure it matches the refund amount deposited into your bank account. Mistakes here can cause discrepancies in your books, so accuracy matters. If this refund is linked to a specific customer or project, you can also add that under the customer/project field. This keeps your client-related financial data aligned with any vendor transactions connected to them. Once all the details are entered, click Save and Close to finish. QuickBooks will automatically update your accounts payable and adjust your expense balances to reflect the refund. And that's it. You've now successfully recorded a vendor refund in QuickBooks Online. This simple process ensures that your books stay clean, accurate, and ready for reporting at any time. Regularly updating your transactions like this helps maintain transparency and makes financial management much smoother. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more quick accounting tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.